Stand up all together now. Voice one truth, one sound. Welcome to the match. Fans seem like they are really looking forward to the game. The match has begun. That's a good one. Shoot! That's a corner kick. That was an amazing save. Passing the ball to his own. Passing the ball to his own. Good defence. Oh, good save. Short pass. Goal kick. Passing the ball to his own. Nice through ball. Steal. What a great opportunity. Nice one. That's a good one. Short pass. Short pass. Steal. Offside. The opponent team just got a free kick. What a great opportunity! He just scored! Goals like this are a normal performance for him. Again! That's a good one. Short pass. Passing the ball to his own. Short pass. Both teams played well in the first half. The second half is going to be intense. That's the whistle. Second half is finally starting. Short pass. Oh, good save. That's a good one. Passing the ball to his own. Short pass. They stole the ball. Short pass. Nice defence. Foul ball. Short pass. Goal! That's a great shot. Nice goal! There goes the ball. Short pass. Nice through ball. Passing the ball to his own. Got the ball back. Good defence. Shoot! Nice one. That's a good one. That's a good one. Short pass. With a shot like that, the goalkeeper doesn't have a choice. Again! That's a good one. Short pass. Even though it was a very tight win, the outcome is very well worth it.